Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a Ronin wallet in Android. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Google Play Store, and from there you just have to download and install the Ronin wallet in your Android device. After that, you just have to tap on it, and once you do this, you are going to see this type of screen in front of you. Now over here, in order to create your fresh account on Ronin wallet, you need to tap on create a new wallet, and then you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see bunch of different options that you can use to create your account on Ronin wallet, such as you can continue with recovery phrase, or you can continue with your email address, or you can also create your account using your Apple ID, Google account, and with your Facebook account. So you just have to select the option as per your convenience, and after that you just have to start the process of creating your Ronin account. For this video, I'm going to tap it as continue with email. So if you have selected the same, then you will be redirected on the next page where you need to provide your email address. Now after providing your email address, you need to press continue. Then you need to complete this verification process, and then you need to press confirm in the bottom. Afterwards, it will show you that they have sent a verification code on your email address that you have just entered previously. So you just have to copy that code and you need to paste it over here. Then you just have to press the submit button. Once you do this, you will be redirected on the home page of Ronin Wallet as you have successfully created your Ronin Wallet account. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.